I spy with my little eye something I wanna try. 2 kids for the job, True and Tai Chi. Just ask our mom. Who you gonna call? The Tot Tasters. Who you gonna call? The Tot Tasters. Who you gonna call? The Tot Tasters. We are the Tot Tasters.
So I just finished making myself a late night snack. I decided to make myself buffalo chicken dip. And to my surprise, True wants to taste it. So we're gonna let her try. Don't judge my green onions because I got tired at the end and I was like, forget it, we just gonna throw that in there. So they're not as diced and pretty as they should be, but we gonna see. So I'm gonna let True actually taste it first.
Where's my spoon? I want my spoon.
Oh, you want a spoon? Okay. So I'm actually gonna let True taste it first. I have no clue how this tastes. This is our real taste test.
It's not funny.
I'm sorry, I'm not laughing.
Can you laugh, Mom?
I won't laugh.
No?
The fact that you keep going back for it, let's see. What do you think? You don't like it?
No, it's hot.
It's too hot. Is it like hot like spicy or hot like out the oven?
No. It's good.
It's good. Okay, guys. She said it's good. So,
Mom,
yeah.
that's funny.
I'm sorry. I did not mean to laugh at you. Okay, so it is hot. Here. Okay, so in order to make this, we used a half cup of red hot, which is why True is getting the water over there. A half cup of blue cheese, half cup of red hot, half cup of ranch. I forgot how much chicken. And we
Mom,
mixed it all
let me
in here. You want to go to school? Okay, we'll see you later. True's going to school, and I'm about to go eat my food. Say bye, True.
Bye.
I spy with my little eye something I wanna try. 2 kids for the job, True and Tai Chi. Just ask our mom.